Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at the Stahlsac 26 litre waterproof backpack. So this is basically a dry bag but with backpack straps, so it makes it very practical, something that you can use day to day for your morning commute. If the weather suddenly turns, then all your gear on the inside is protected. It's got some clever features on the inside as well as a removable section. Let's take a closer look. So this is how it arrives, in a plastic bag, unfortunately, but hey ho. Inside, bit of sticky tape, and then we have the bag itself. Let's just do a quick check for any goodies inside of it. You get a little label on the front, 26 litre waterproof backpack, go anywhere, with just information about the bag itself. I can't feel any extras, so yeah, let's take a quick look at the bag itself. Okay, so this is a roll top dry bag, but instead of connecting the two sort of top sections together, you have two straps, one on either side, and then you can sort of pull that down just to keep it nice and tight. But that's how it keeps it watertight. It also means that you have this big opening at the top to get stuff in. On the front though, this external material is actually quite tough, so I feel like this could sort of last a long time. But you have a front sort of quick access pockets. Now this zipper itself isn't watertight, it's water resistant, so if it's raining it's going to resist a lot of it, but don't rely on it to keep all water out. And then you have a flat section on the front, which basically is this entire like front panel. So for quick access stuff, you can just stow it away inside of that. On this side, you can see we have a quick grab handle, so you can hold it onto the side, carry it a bit like a briefcase. You have the same on the other side as well. On the back, or the bit that's attached onto your back, so you have padded shoulder straps, and these are actually really nice sort of padded straps, so nice and airy as well, so you're not going to get too sweaty if you're in a warm climate. Adjustable chest strap, and you can no, you can't remove it, but you can move it up and down, and it is adjustable, so you can sort of tighten it, and it's got one of those sort of Velcro things right at the very end, so you can wrap up any excess material. Underneath that, the back plate or the back pad itself, we've got these big chunky foam sections, and then this cutout, so it's nice and airy, again for warmer climates. It's just going to allow a bit of airflow around your back. And you also have a waistband. This one you can remove. That's just velcroed in position, and yeah, if you just want a waistband, then you've got that. If you don't want it, take it off. Okay, opening it up, you've got the double pinch clips. Oh, sorry to say, there's a grab handle at the top with go anywhere stamped on it, which is kind of cool. But looking on the inside, it's day glow yellow, so really easy to see things. Instead of just a big black dark hole that you're just losing stuff in, with it being bright yellow on the inside, you can always see what's going on. On the inside, you actually have a hidden feature, which is that all of this internal compartment, you can undo this zipper and remove it. So if you don't want all of this extra stuff, which I'll show you in a second, you can just have it as a traditional dry bag, and that's kind of it. It's just a big open space. But if you do, if I turn this inside out, again, you can see the colour of it, so bright yellow throughout with grey portions, so that you can sort of separate and see where sort of parts are. I don't know if this is watertight material itself, but it feels a bit like it. On the front, you have two zippered sections, so you can start to organise your stuff. You've got some pen slots at the top, and on the back, you have a padded section. Actually, this whole back section is padded, and then this section is padded separately. So this is for a laptop, you've got that sort of elasticated Velcro sort of secure, so you can store your laptop inside of that. You have a small flat pocket in the front, so you have lots of padding. You've got sort of modern areas for your laptops or your tablets, and if you don't want all of that, you just want a dry bag, you can just zip it out and get rid of it. And then if you need to use it at a later date, then yeah, you put it back in. If you do remove it though, the inside goes from that day glow yellow back to black. But hey, if you just want a dry bag, if you want to minimize weight, you don't want all that sort of extra stuff, then yeah, just get rid of it. So that's the Stahlsac 26 litre dry bag backpack. Very handy, decent size, so when you're sort of carrying your stuff around, it's going to keep it nice and safe on the inside. If you're an instructor and you've got a lot of paperwork, you've got your laptop or something, you're a photographer, you want to keep your stuff dry and contained but still bring it with you onto the boat, then this is definitely worth considering. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. There's going to be a link down in the description below so you can check it out and buy it as well. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.